Hi there, Kizai here. So for today, I will do a makeup for I think it's full coverage for like if you have troubled skin like mine right now, and just ignore the sty. I always have a sty in my eye and I don't know why. So yeah, let's get started. So I did put the sunblock already from Fresh Skin Lab K Aloe Eyes and AI from my dermatologist. So now let's go on with like mixing for the base before doing the eyes and the mouth. This is how I do things. So yeah, there's 3 quick fix tinted um what's that? Sorry for that. Tinted moisturizer, sunblock, and then CC cream, so it cancels out redness, some problems in your face. Yeah, I put it at the back of my hand because it warms it up. Then I dump it with my new beauty blender. I use it already, so I mix it like that. I have a mirror with me here. Then just do that. That there. Everywhere. Within the neck, don't forget the neck. Now I will do the concealer from Ever Belena. It has an SPF 22. So I have a lot of SPF on my face because sun can damage your skin and I don't want to have wrinkles, quicker. Actually, I wanted to buy an acne patch, but genuinely, as you can see, I'm running out of time. So yeah, I let it dry for a bit. Now I will use my new sponge here. I bought it on, department store. So it's much cheaper, but it's a good quality. So I let it dry for a bit so that the coverage is good. Just dab it like that. Just be gentle with your face. Now I have the foundation in me, so I'll just put it with my hands because we need an extra coverage. Actually, I'm the type of person to not like products that are, that have a smell, because it probably can clog your pores. I don't know if that's scientifically proven, but it's for me. I just noticed since I'm not wearing eyeglasses, so I put some product on my nose, but when I do that without eyeglasses, with eyeglasses I just put powder on my face and I use my beauty blender to mix the product on my face. I mean, not mix, but now I will do a contour with this palette. First the side of my cheeks, and then I mix it, and then the nose. I'll do this fish first. Just gentle. I genuinely don't forget about the neck. So here. Don't forget about the nose. Now, I will do the blush. Just a little bit amount because this is so pigmented. Smile like this. Let me do the highlight. I mix this pressed white powder, put it on the tip of my nose, then even in here, right here, and here as well. Now take this champagne color and put it also in the area that I need highlighter. The highlight though. Now Now I will curl my eyelashes because I have a long eyelashes. But the thing is, I have a style, so I cannot put eye makeup and mascara at the moment. Now to lock it in, everything, I will put a pressed powder on my face. It's a blurring sebum something that controls it, and it's a doctor sensitive safe for oily skin and very sensitive skin like mine. I will just put it on areas like T-zone because I genuinely like to get oily around that area. And all the places I put concealer on. So for the final step of makeup routine, I will put Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink on my lips. So yeah, I'm new to this, so don't judge me if I put it, I don't know, not very professionally, but yeah. The makeup routine is done. I have put a hair extension, a curly hair extension. So this is it. Now, I will finish this with a hand cream, paint my nails, and some perfume. So yeah. Actually, I do put two perfume. That's crazy. But I don't know. It smells so good. I cannot choose. But yeah. Put the hand cream. Yeah, how many times is it? But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day, and by the way, it's my grandma's birthday. Happy birthday, Nai. I wish you have a long life, and I hope you enjoy your day. So I will film one more video showing my outfit and how I do all of this work in here. So stay updated for the things that I will do, so I can be posted on my account. This is the only social media I have right now. So yeah, bye.